I'm Amy Anderson for OptionRally TV. The rest of this week will be about the central banks, with the FOMC minutes due later today and tomorrow's Bank of England and European Central Bank meetings. Now for a quick look at today, January 8th, 2014. Wall Street investors move into risk-on mode. JPMorgan slammed over Bernie Madoff fraud, and oil traders wait for today's inventory data. Let's take a quick look at what is happening in the global markets. Traders around the globe prepare for a hectic event week with the release of the U.S. Federal Reserve minutes later today, followed tomorrow by the Bank of England and European Central Bank meetings, and culminating on Friday with the release of the U.S. non-farm payroll report. Investors shifted their mood from cautious to risk-on, driving up Wall Street and European stocks on Tuesday. Stocks posted their first positive close of the new year, with the Nasdaq adding nearly 1%, helped by a solid November trade report showing the U.S. deficit at its narrowest point in 4 years. London's FTSE ended Tuesday up 0.37% to 6755.45 points, while the CAC 40 in Paris gained 0.83% to 4262.68 points. Frankfurt's DAX 30 index also rose 0.83% to 9506.20 points, with sentiments helped by upbeat German unemployment data. Investment bank JPMorgan lost 1.2% after the Justice Department and banking regulators ordered them to pay $2.24 billion to victims of the 2008 Madoff Ponzi scheme, and another $350 million penalty to the Office of the Controller of the Currency for its role as the main banker for jailed financier Bernie Madoff. The findings showed that the bank employees were either too complacent or greedy to bother to look into the Madoff scam. In the forex markets, the euro eased to 1.3618, while the US dollar rose to 104.56 yen. Traders will sit tight today, waiting for the FOMC minutes, which will be released at 2 p.m. U.S. time. The US dollar could gain some momentum if the minutes indicates strong support among the members to increase tapering. Moving to commodities, gold ended up easing on Tuesday after an active trading day. The shiny metal closed at $1227.50, ahead of the FOMC minutes due later today. Oil got a bump up late yesterday after the IMF raised its growth outlook for 2014. Oil prices edged higher this morning as dealers sat on the sidelines ahead of an upcoming U.S. stockpiles report, while a record-breaking North American cold snap provided strong support. WTI crude was up 22 cents at 93.89, while Brent North Sea crude up 7 cents at 107.42. I'm Amy Anderson for OptionRally. Follow me right here on my channel at OptionRally.com and on my Facebook page.